guys, I stopped the video on accident, but here again, still taking a bathie. She don't want to. Poor baby. Look at her. She's smiling. She's not happy though. She's smiling though. Can we give Ruby a bath? Ruby's gonna take a bath too. Hi, Skipper. Oh, baby. She got water all over the camera. It's okay though. Did you just hear snort? Her eyes. Her eyes. Ruby's taking a bath too?
Yep.
Yeah, the dogs haven't had a bath in a long time. Oh, Skipper, why? You're not supposed to shake it. You're not supposed to shake yet, puppy. Ooh, that water's hot. Oh! Skipper. Squeezing out with her paws. Ruby, your turn. Does Ruby have to go in my tub, though? What?
Filled a whole bunch of stuff still.
Okay, you're done, Skipper. See you in the next video.